With GARDENA irrigation pumps, you can also make the most of alternative sources of water. The rainwater tank pump makes it easy. Just hang it in and connect it up. Watering your garden can be that simple. GARDENA garden pumps are your personal water power stations. They have two outputs for connecting a sprinkler and a sprayer at the same time, for example. GARDENA submersible pressure pumps will pump your water from great depths. Featuring slimline design, they fit even in narrow borehole wells. The new GARDENA 6005 automatic submersible pressure pump not only waters your garden, it even supplies your house automatically with service water. GARDENA. Live your garden.